Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I want to show you these awesome roller skates I just received. I did purchase these myself, and I want to just make a quick review and show you a little about these roller skates. Actually, for little kids, really kind of cool. These are really cute, and they're really colorful, and they light up. So this is how the box they come in, just like that. They came in a couple of days. And let's just open this box up. I want to show you what they look like. They are really awesome. I'll show you. This is how they come packaged. As you can see how they come packaged. Really nicely packaged, which is really super important. So let me just take them out of the box and show you what we have. So 2 sets of skates and some tools. Take that out. Let's get the box out of the way and I can show you what we have. So how they come wrapped in a little bag, as you can see here. It does come with a skates manual, which everybody needs a skates manual. Comes with a couple of tools, some extra screws and bolts just in case something falls off with one of the wheels, which is really nice. So that's a couple of Allen wrenches and some tools. So that's what's in here. Put that to the side. And I really just want to show you and focus on the skate so you can see what they look like. A lot of times you see these online and you really don't know what it is. So here we have the roller skate. Now, the roller skate is very cute. You can see here it's very, very colorful. It's got that rainbow iridescent look to it. It's got really cute wheels. There's the front stop that's pink. You go all around here. So this is the extra small. And depending on what size foot you are, if you're a 7 to 9, but you might need the medium or the small. There's extra small, small, medium, and large. So if you're depending on your age, so take a look at the chart. Make sure you get the right size. But they're really made quite well. Talk about how this skate looks. Like again, it showed you, has all the pink, all the iridescent look all around it. Really kind of cute. It's got the bottom here with the nice wheels, as you can see here, really nice and smooth. I like that. It's got the stop in front. So how it's made is basically has a couple different ways of adjusting it. So this is how you unlock it. The little latch here that unlocks it right there. This is a Velcro right here. And then inside it also ties. So now you have the tie. So you got 3 ways to actually tie it. You got the top latch here, and then you have the Velcro here. Now, if you want to adjust this shoe, you press this button here, and this actually slides out the shoe. And you can show you. I'll show you that. Like this here. You can see the shoe slides back and forth. You just hold this button down. And that's how you get different size adjustments for the shoe. That goes in and that locks. Just push it out, back and forth. Loose the Velcro, you can just see how that slides back and forth, just like that. So it's multiple sizes for the child, so it should fit, I would say, comfortable 5 to 7, right around there. It looks like it's too short here, but when you pull it out, you can see it's much longer. So that's really kind of an interesting design. So you get that, so you can grow with the child, and that's really, I like that quite a bit. So you got the tie, you got the top lock, you got the Velcro. This is all adjustable here. So everything's all adjustable. So you can really adjust all the different height. I mean, not the height, the tension of the shoe around the ankle, around the base of the foot, and also the size. So that's really interesting. I like that. What's cool about these that kids really like is they light up. And that's the fun part of these roller skates. So I just want to try to give you an example of what that looks like. Let me just show you here so you can see. So I don't know how to change the batteries, but if you can see in here, see when I turn them, you can see the lights going on. So when you roller skate, these lights go on. Now, I'm not sure about replacing batteries. I'm not sure. Maybe there's a way to open this up. Maybe there's inside. I'm not really sure. But these do light up, the LED lights in there. And they do light up when you roller skate. And that's kind of cool. So let's give you an example of that. Let me shut this light off, and I'll show you. You can see. So you can see that. Isn't that cool? That is very cool. It's very hard to tell, but you can see, there you go. You can see in my hand, just rolling them. So the friction, probably a little sensor in there, and they light up. This one, all 4 light up. So the kids are going to love these. You can see how in all 4, you can just see how cool that is. So that's what I have for you. I just wanted to show you that. This is a really cute and a really nice quality. Made really well. No issues at all. I can't see any issues at all. Made quite nicely. Construction is good. Flexibility, adjustability, and quality is high quality. So I definitely highly recommend these if you're looking for a nice roller skate for the kids. Definitely rollerblades. I think they're too young for rollerblades. Roller skates, a little bit. Start off at roller skates. Then later on, go to rollerblades if you want. All right. Appreciate that. Hope you enjoyed this review. And thanks for watching.